Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do a very simple recipe. So those are our ingredients for today. If you are new here, please consider to subscribe, like and comment below. So let's get into the video. So we are now going to start by cleaning our arrowroots. Remember, the arrowroots have a lot of soil, so you have to clean your arrowroot keenly and also remove the unwanted parts, because it always have some parts that are what a bit rotten, so you have to be more careful. So imagine this is a very simple recipe and at a very cheap price. So like for the arrowroot, it's only costing me for that is 100 shillings, and and you can see how much it is. It's around 7 of them, yeah. Also I have my avocado, which costed 20 bob. Dania, it's around depending on where you're buying them, but you can get them at a low cost of 10 shillings. Tomatoes, I always go to buy them in the market at a very cheap price. Also the carrots, and so these ingredients that you can get them anywhere outside your house. You can get them with around let's say 200 shillings. That's like $2 plus. You can get these ingredients and you prepare yourself a sumptuous food, a sumptuous breakfast for your family, for yourself, and also if you are watching weight, it's also a recommended recipe, because at the same time, if you're watching weight, you also need a little bit of fat. So for me, I will not deep fry. It's shallow frying these arrowroots to give them taste. Remember, so there are a few people who don't like arrowroots. So for me, because I'm not a fan of arrowroots, I prefer them fried. And I first start by boiling them. So at this point, I'm going to clean them, and then I'll cut them into a bit smaller portions to make my boiling easy and also fast. So this a recipe that's only costed me it only costed me around 30 minutes and I was done. So please try this recipe in your home and comment below how it came out to be. And in this recipe, you're going to take it with a cup of coffee. If you like milk, you can take it with a cup of milk. Whatever thing you like, whatever drink you like, you can take this. It's a snack, by the way, it's a snack. You can also take it with maybe soda. You can also make it with your juices that you have blended in the house. So it's a snack. It's also a breakfast to take, and a healthy one. So if you're watching this video and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Please just like, click there, just like this video, please, so that we can reach as many people as we can. We are growing together. We are trying this, guys, and I really love cooking. I really love showing people how to do new things in terms of cooking, because I've realized most of the people always wonder, what am I going to prepare today, what am I going to cook today? Oh, I don't like cooking. And you find most of the people choose to go and take maybe that's why you're gaining weight, because you don't want to cook. Yes, you don't want to cook. You just want to go and take snacks. You just want to go and take fast food, instead of you just using that money and buying a few ingredients in the house and watching my and watching my videos, so that you can prepare something for yourself, something healthy, something that will not take so much time to prepare, and you will really thank me. So at this point, I've already cleaned my arrowroot and they are now boiling. So I'm going now to prepare my salad. So for this, you can see I'm using, I have one lime, carrots, 2 carrots. I'm going to create 2 carrots, 1 onion. It's not a big one. I'm going to just use 1 tomato is enough for me, and also pili pili, please. I like pili pili in my food, so that's pepper. I'm going to use at least two of them. And I also have my beetroot. Beetroot is it's very healthy. Please try to always and a little bit of beetroot in your salads. It's very healthy and it's recommended because it's one of the best to take. Yeah, even when you're sick, please, when you're sick, when you're watching weight, when you also don't want to cook, please, always some of the things that you should not miss in your house is a beetroot. Don't miss beetroot, don't miss carrots. Always have those things in your house, have those vegetables in your house, because these are some of the things that you can just grab, and also you can prepare like some blended juice if you want to, with carrots and also with the beetroot. So please go to the market, purchase a few stuffs. Don't go and take those fast food, please. That's why you're gaining weight. So be taking this. If you don't want to cook, if you're feeling that you don't want to cook, please come to JK Delicacies, watch my videos, please, and prepare something for yourself. And it's very fast. You don't need to buy so much ingredients. You don't need to buy spices. You don't need to go extra miles to make your food yummy, to make your food that's attractive. Just watch my videos. I have very simple recipes, and you come up with something nice, something that everyone will ask you, how do you know how to prepare this? So at this point, I'm going now to start chopping my vegetables so that we can prepare our salad. If you're watching this video, please, if you're watching my video, you have not subscribed, please. Most of the people watching my videos, they have not subscribed to. They have not subscribed to my YouTube channel. Please, just hit that button there, please. Just subscribe, like, it should not cost you anything. Just like that video. Like, if you like the video, just like it, give it a thumbs up, please, so that we can reach as many people as we can and we grow together, guys. Please, I'm doing this for you guys because I love you so much. And for those who have subscribed, thank you so much for supporting me. Those who are watching my video, thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for motivating me every day to do something for you guys. I'm so grateful. May the Lord our God bless you so much. And those who have not watched, also, I love you so. Those who have not subscribed, I love you so much because you watch and you have not subscribed. But please, now, just subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just subscribe. Comment below. Like, just comment. Tell me something. Tell me something. Which recipe would you like me to do for you? If you are this person, kind of a person who don't like cooking, please comment below. Tell me what you want me to prepare for you. Please, I'll show you. You don't need to go and buy so many things in the supermarket. You don't need to. You just need to go into the nearest market around your place, and you purchase a few things, and you have your supper, breakfast, lunch, healthy, that you're preparing in your house. And just remember, it's also cost effective, because if, like, now I prepare this is a lot to me, so I'm going to take this for like 2 days. Yes, I'll just preserve it and I'll take it for 2 days. So you see, I'll also save on my money. I'll save on my money. So please, guys, so as you can see there, I'm just going about with my carrots. That's my 2 carrots. I've already done with my onions and also my tomato. You can see how good it's looking like. I know my camera is not giving that thing. I pay good view, but don't worry, we'll buy our camera very soon. So you can see I'm now chopping my dhania or coriander. You can also purchase this by there. You can purchase in form of spices. It's there in the supermarket. You can buy it, but please, this is only 10 bob, 20 shillings. In the nearest market, even outside where you stay. It depends on where you stay anyway. But I think you cannot take so many kilometers to get these vegetables. They're around anywhere. They are also some of the ingredients that you can also plant in your homestead. If you're staying in a gated community, you can plant them in your homestead and you'll be taking them every day. They are healthy and so good into your body. So please, please keep on subscribing, keep on watching, keep on hitting that subscription button, keep on commenting, keep on liking, so that I can get the energy to come and upload a new video, to come and do another video, because sometimes you find myself doing some of the recipes, and I'm not uploading here. So please motivate me to do every day. I'll be uploading every day. So if you've not subscribed, please consider to subscribe, like, eh, comment, say even hi, say where you're watching this video from. Do you like the video? What would you like me to do? I would really appreciate it, but please give me positive positive comments, please. So don't give me negative comments, because even if you give me negative, I'll still continue. Okay. So I've done with my avocado. It's something I like my avocados. Where I always purchase my avocados, they are so nice. You can see. So right now my arrowroots were and already cooked, and I ain't. As you watched earlier, I ain't and cut them into small portions. So that's why they cooked so fast. And now I am putting them into the oil. Yes, I'm putting them into the oil. Yes. So at this point, I'm not going to overcook them. Remember, they have already cooked. I just want them to have a crunchy taste. Is it? Yes. You can see my salad is ready. My arrowroots are ready. So yummy. Oh my god, this thing was so yummy. It was so yummy. Please. It's one of the best to take in the morning. Just take this in the morning. Bye. Until next video. See you guys in my next upload. I love you. Mwah.